garter snake. Florida baby.
Do that.
Let's see him. Let's see him. He's gonna whip his head around. He's got him. Oh, shit.
Watch out, guys. He's mad.
Mad. He's mad.
Hang on.
You got his head? He's wrapping you, Mom. Mom, he's wrapping you.
Florida baby. She got him.
Yeah.
She got him.
I will hold him. No, you can not hold him. You can pet him. Mom, let's pet him.
Y'all can pet him because he will bite.
Does he have poisonous fangs though?
No, see his eyes?
Yeah.
See, his eyes are circles. Okay, but he's got big mouth in there, big teeth. You want to touch him?
Yeah. Just hold him.
I'll hold him. You can touch him.
He's so small. I just want to hold him.
My adrenaline.
Just hold him.
Okay,
Tell
I'll just
him.
hold him.
Mama's boss.
I just hold him.
You like him?
I just want to hold him.
You do?
No, you can't hold him.
He's a biter. He's got big teeth in there. See his heat detection through the tongue?
So if he sees your hand, he will go.
Well, if he feels your heat temperature, the body heat, he's cold-blooded.
Mom, we're warm-blooded.
We are warm-blooded.
Do
Do you want to hold him?
yeah.